Igbo man, non. Ngozika. Hello guys, my name is Ngozika and you are welcome to my channel. I'm a typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State to be precise, and we are still on the journey of Igbo speaking. In the previous video, we did a lot of things on the general conversations that happens between and among the Igbo native speakers. So today we are going to go a little bit deeper in actualizing our aim, that is learning how to introduce ourselves in Igbo and get to know how easy to communicate using the general conversations that happens like every day. Now before we go into today's business, if you are new to this channel, you're welcome. I love you. And when you finish watching the video and you like it, please do not forget to use the like button and the subscribe button as well, so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Yes, let's go into the business of the day. I think I forgot to tell you guys that this is my second video. The previous one you watched was actually my first. I don't know how well I don't know how well I did in that previous one, but I believe you learned a thing or two when it comes to the Igbo language speaking. Stay tuned and let's continue on this journey. At the end of the day, trust me, it's going to be worth every time spent here. Let's have fun together. So, previously we learned that when you meet someone, the good mornings, the good afternoons, all the good evenings, and all the hellos and highs. Today we are going to go a little bit deeper. We're going to talk about what's your name, my name is that, where do you live, where are you going, how are you, how is your family, and all that. So today let's start with Ndewo. Hello, hi, Ndewo, and Ndewo and Dalun. That is hello, hi, how are you? Kekime, how are you? Kekime or Kedu Afa. Kekime or Kedu Afa. That translates, how are you? Keka ime or Kedu Afa. How are you? Is it difficult? No, it isn't. It isn't. It's very simple. Kedu Afa. Kekime. Kedu Afa. Kekime simply means, how are you? I am fine. I am fine. Adimumma. 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 I am fine. Kedu Afa. Adimumma. How are you? I am fine. Kedu Afa. I am fine. Adimumma. It's as simple as that. Kedu Afa. Adimumma. How are you? I am fine. Kekime or Kedu Afa translates what? How are you? Adimumma. I am fine. When you are talking to someone asking this question. But remember, in our previous lesson, I said something about plural and singular. It's applicable in almost everything, even in the English language. So when you ask someone, a single person, one person, Kedu Afa, one person, more than one, you say Kedu unu me. Kedu unu me. Kedu unu me. Ke unu me. It's saying there are more than one. Unu makes it plural. Kedi Afa, one person. Kedi unu me, more than one, plural. Kedi unu me. Kekime, one person. Kedu Afa, one person. Kedu ka unu me, more than one. Kedu ka unu me, more than one. Ke ka unu me, more than one. Good. I am fine. Adị m mma. I am fine. Adị m mma. That is singular. One person. Anyi dị mma. Anyi dị mma. We are fine. 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 We are fine, plural. I am fine, singular. Adị m mma. Anyi dị mma. We are fine. I am fine. So you now see the difference. Whenever you're talking to someone, always make sure you address accordingly when it comes to you. Multiple or one. I am fine. Adị m mma. Anyi dị mma. We are fine. And that is just it. Good. Having said that, we move to what is your name? Kedu Afa gi? Kedi Afa. Kedi Afa. What is your name? Kedi Afa. What is your name? That is Kedi Afa. One person. If you are more than one, if they are more than one, sorry, the question should be Kedi Afa unu. Kedi Afa unu. Kedi Afa unu simply means what are your names? One person, Kedi Afa. More than one, Kedi Afa unu. Kedi Afa. Kedu Afa. One person. Kedu Afa unu. More than one. Afa mu bụ Ngozika. My name is Ngozika. Afa gi. Afa mu bụ Ngozika. You are saying your name. So when a person asks you, Kedi Afa gi, and you say, Afa mu bụ, my name is, you mention your name. Afa mu bụ Kelvin. Afa mu bụ Janet. Afa mu bụ Anita. Afa mu bụ Ngozika. Afa mu bụ Ifeanyi. Afa mu bụ Joseph. That is it. So, what is your name? Kedi Afa. Singular. Kedi Afa unu. More than one person. Afa mu bụ Anita. One person. Afa mu bụ Anita. Then if you want to introduce all of you, what you say is Afa anyi. Our names. So Afa anyi bụ Ngozi and Chioma. So Afa anyi bụ Ngozi na Chioma. Ngozi and Michael. Afa anyi bụ Ngozi na Michael. But for now, talking about yourself. So my name is Ngozi. My name is Ngozi. My name is Joyce. My name is Ogechuku. My name is whatever you go by, whatever your name is, you attach it to the my name is. That is just it. Now, from there, we're talking about. Before we go into the next one, there's something about Igbo people. We are so typical about families. To us, family means a lot of things. Family is family. We breathe, we eat, we do everything family. So don't be surprised when you meet a stranger in Igbo land and the person goes by asking you about your family. Don't be offended. It's something we do. Normally when you greet someone, even the person you've not seen before, when you say good morning, good morning, how are you? Ademuma. Kedi maka. That is how is your family. It's just natural. There's something, we love family. Family is everything to us. So it's something we include in our general conversation, in our general greetings, like every day. So let's talk about that one. Let's talk about that one. Families. After the good morning, good afternoon, good evening, after the hello, hi, after the kekime, how are you? The person who can ask you, or you will be the one to ask the person. Ke maka ndi begi, how is your family? Kedu maka ndi begi, how is your family? Kedu maka ndi begi, how is your family? Now, we also have the plural and the singular. Kedi maka ndi begi is different from kedi maka ndi bunu. Singular and plural. But this time it's talking about your immediate family and your extended family, like the big family. So when you ask the person, kedi maka ndi begi means your immediate, yourself, your spouse, and your kids, your children. That is ndi begi. But if the person says kedu maka ndi bunu, the person is asking after your parents, your siblings, yourself, you know, that the big family. Yeah. So you ask accordingly. Kedi maka ndi begi, talking about your immediate family. Kedi maka ndi bunu. Kedi maka ndi bunu. Kedu maka ndi bunu. It means the bigger, the larger family, the extended family. Good. But one thing you would not like to do when it comes to asking about this is not asking properly, appropriately. You know, I don't know, sometimes it may sound offensive when you meet someone and you ask them, Ke maka ndi begi, to be on the safer side, because you may not know if the person is married or not. So you just go by asking, Ke maka, kedu maka ndi bunu. I think it's polite, it's better. It's better, especially when you do not know the marital status of the person you are talking to. So, kedi maka ndi bunu is better. Extended family. Kedi maka ndi bunu. It sounds better and polite. Kedi maka ndi bunu. Unless you know the marital status of the person, that's when you say kedi maka. You ask kedi maka ndi begi. But if you have no idea, you don't know anything about the family, the person's status maritally, it's better you say kedu maka ndi bunu. Kedu maka ndi bunu. Kedu maka ndi bunu. And not kedu maka ndi begi. It's polite. Yes, that is Igbo language for you. And it's fun. It's super easy too to learn. It's not difficult at all. You don't have to stress yourself. See, learning a particular language it's sometimes strange because it's not what you are used to. So in order to learn fast and have fun with it, you relax your mind. You calm down. Calm down in doing it, okay? Gradually. A step at a time. Before you know it, you become a master of it all. So relax. So today we have looked at 3 things. We've talked about how are you? I'm fine. What's your name? My name is so person. And now we assigned it to the family. Yes. So now another one is, who are you looking for? When you come newly to a place, or maybe you're looking for someone, but who are you looking for? Please, who are you looking for? Biko, kedu onye na-acho? Kedu onye na-acho? Biko, kedu onye na-acho? Please, who are you looking for? Kedu onye na-acho? Always add Biko. It's polite. Yeah. Biko, kedu onye na-acho? Please, who are you looking for? Biko, kedu onye na-acho? Who are you looking for? The person will now tell you, ana macho so person, or so thing, or so place. are you looking for? Onye ka ị na-achọ? Kedu onye ị na-achọ? You see? It comes in two. It's either you say onye ka ị na-achọ, or kedu onye ị na-achọ. It's either you say biko onye ka ị na-achọ, or biko kedu onye ị na-achọ. Kedu onye ị na-achọ, or kedu onye ị na-achọ, or onye ka ị na-achọ. Onye ka ị na-achọ. Onye ka ị na-achọ. Please, who are you looking for? And respond by saying, I am looking for Grace. Ana m achọ Grace. I am looking for Mr. Kelvin. Ana m achọ Maazị Kelvin. Onye ka ị na-achọ. Who are you looking for? I am looking for so person. Now, this is who. It means a human being, someone. But when it comes to thing and object, it will be Kedu Ife ị na-acho. Kedu Ife ị na-acho. Is it difficult? No, it isn't. It isn't. Just relax your mind. Relax yourself. Let's take a deep breath. Good. Kedu Ife ị na-acho. What are you looking for? Ana m achọ. It is still ana m achọ. But what changes is the who, what, and where. But the answer has same sentence. Kedu Ife ị na-achọ is a question. What are you looking for? Kedu onye ị na-achọ. Who are you looking for? And the reply should be ana m achọ da. Ana m achọ who you are looking for, or what you're actually looking for. Oh, yes, that is what it is. What you're looking for, or who actually you're looking for. So ana m achọ. I'm looking for a chair. Ana m achọ Mrs. Ngozika. Ana m achọ Oriakụ Ngozika. Ana m achọ. I'm looking for the teacher. Ana m achọ onye nkuzi. I'm looking for our teacher. Ana m achọ onye nkuzi anyị. Ana m achọ dash. Ana m achọ this. Ana m achọ that. But the important thing here is for you to know the sentence. Then you can add whatever you're looking for, or whoever you're looking for at the end of it. Who are you looking for? Onye ka ị na-achọ. What are you looking for? Kedu Ife ị na-achọ. Ana m achọ this or that. Is it hard? It's not. Is it hard? It is not. Let's try a little bit more. A little more. Good. We are done with Kedu Ife ị na-achọ. What are you looking for, and who are you looking for? Now, let's ask. Where are you going to? Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Where are you going to? Where are you going? I said, please, where are you going to? Biko, kedu ebe ị na-eje? Biko, kedu ebe ị na-eje? Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Please, where are you going to? Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Please, where are you going to? Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Please, where are you going to? Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Please, where are you going to? It's as simple as that. Is it difficult? Tell me. Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Where are you going to? And the response will be, I am going to the bank. Ana m eje bank. Ana m eje school. ana m eje here or there. Ana m eje bank, ana m eje ọba ego, that is bank. Ana m eje ụlọ akwụkwọ, school. Ana m eje ụlọ ụka, I am going to church. Ana m eje afia, I'm going to the market. You see, ana m eje dash. Ana m eje here, ana m eje there. Dash, ana m eje ebe, ana m eje ebe nke ọzọ. That is, I'm going here, I'm going there. So, kedu ebe ị na-eje? Where are you going to? Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Where are you going to? I am going to here. I'm going to the market. I'm going to the church. I'm going to the mosque. I'm going to play. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do the other one. So it is, where are you going? Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Ana m eje. I am going to. Now, when you want to say that I am going to so place, but you're more than one. If the question is directed to more than one person, not only you, the question is directed not only. If the question is directed to not only you, it should be anyi na-eje, we are going to, not I am going to this time. So it should be anyi. Anyi is we. Anyi na-eje, we are going to the church. Anyi na-eje ụlọ ụka, we are going to the church. Anyi na-eje ụlọ ụka, anyi na-eje ụlọ akwụkwọ, anyi na-eje afia, we is anyi. Ana m eje is I am going to. We are going to. Anyi na-eje. And that's it. Is it difficult? It's not difficult. I don't think it is. Just relax your mind a step at a time. No rush. Just be consistent, and I'm telling you, you will never regret being consistent. You will never regret your time. Here, we learn every day. I also want to learn your own language. That's how you communicate. That's how life evolves. That is how it is. Good. So take your time. You will master all of this. It's just a matter of time. Nothing is achievable. Nothing. There's nothing you can't achieve. Just put your mind to it and be consistent. You're learning. Good. I believe you've learned a thing or two. You have a whole lot of things to learn. Anytime I upload a new video, there is something new to learn. But at least I believe you've learned a lot of things. Good luck. Good luck to you all. And to me as well. Because I also want to learn your language. I seize any opportunity I get to learn other people's languages too. Because it's very, very important. Good. So I think we've come to the end of today's video. Yes. And I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you have questions, you can use the the comment section below. Forward your questions to me, your concerns to me, and let's see how we can go about it. It's all about learning. Yes. See you next time. God is there, no Ngozi, or Bye.